What's going on, YouTube? So this is another video. As always, I'm gonna keep this video short because I know you all's attention spans are getting shorter. So what I'm gonna talk about today, why I prefer being clean cut. I'm gonna do more videos on this. If you look at every single photo, I'm gonna link my Instagram down below this video so you all can just get a feel for who I am, right? I prefer clean cut. I don't know, a lot of you all don't know this, but I can grow a full beard. When I grow my full beard, it gets about right here. Everything is connected, all the way from the nose, all the way up, all the way down to the neck. And even that's clean cut. I prefer clean cut because it gets me places, man. It gets people talking to me. Ever since I was a little kid, my mom always dressed me up clean, man. I've been wearing slacks, neckties, collar shirts since I was about, 3 or 4 years old. I'm going to show you all that photo soon. And hats, too. I wear a lot of hats. I've been cutting my old hair since I was about 13 and a half. Right now, I have slacks on and dress shoes. It's just the way that my mom dressed me up, man. I mean, I'll say that's one of the perks from coming from a single Bob household. But also, I got a lot of male mentors in my life, too. A lot of male mentors are at my church. I call them OGs, included my pastor. My pastor taught me how to shine shoes. So everywhere I go, I have my dress shoes on with the rubber bottoms. They're shine. Keeping my face clear, keeping my teeth brushed, smelling good. In my bag right now, I'm on my way to work right now. In my bag is cologne, baby wipes. I'm just being straight up. You know, a lot of people will say, oh, that's metrosexual. I just call it, being a man that care about yourself. That's just what that is. I know real OGs that are the places that I want to get, mature-wise and financial-wise and mentally, physically, financially, spiritually, and emotionally-wise that still do this. And they're their 80s, man. So I talk to the OGs. I don't know about you all, but I talk to the OGs. That's how I get my wisdom, and I see it. I see them living it. So anyway, that's why I'm not going to keep this video too long. And throughout this video, I'm going to continue to put in that clean cut method. So if my videos are not for you, if you just a guy that, you don't believe in a clean cut, then that's cool. You can click off. But, I'm a guy from the hood, God willing, get out the hood. And, I just prefer clean cut. It gets me places. I can walk in places that, a lot of black men who are about something, who want to develop themselves, they'll they will get shade upon, as people will say, oh, that's like thugs. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, you not being yourself. I don't know about you, but I'm being myself. This is how I was raised. So I was raised in a clean-cut environment. I mean, shoot, my dad that's been in and out of my life, shoot, even he's still clean-cut. He still wear the slacks, the khakis, the dress shoes. He's about 75 years old. He still got a big gray. All the men in my family got beards, got full beards, and still got their hair lines. They hair gray. They still keep themselves up. So I don't know about you, but this is how I was raised. So that's why, if you all are wondering, who is this guy? I'm a clean cut guy, and it gets me places. It's proven. So again, I already kept this video too long. I'm not gonna keep it long. I'm not gonna keep it longer. So God bless. I'm out.